Hello, AP World. We just finished our chat, like I was saying, but I'm just going to give you a heads up on what's coming this week. AP Live, DBQ. Like Miss Miller mentioned in the chat, if you are doing extra work and want to send it to me to look over, I'd be happy to do that. So AP Live review videos due today, if you're watching this on Monday, is the Maritime Empire ones. Tomorrow is the DBQ on evaluate the extent to which rulers used a variety of methods to legitimize and consolidate their power. That's a fun one. Do Wednesday, changing social hierarchies, and then Thursday is Enlightenment and Nationalism and Revolutions, and Friday is the Industrial Revolutions. Next Monday, you'll have an AP Live video due on the effects of the Industrial Revolution. The sugar trade DBQ will be due Tuesday. That's analyze the effects of the international sugar trade in the global economy and society from 1500 to the present, and then you're done. I will give you my notes for the last couple of AP Live videos that are Unit 6, and those are on like migration and industrial revolution. And then Thursday, the 21st at 1 o'clock is our test. So after that, we'll go back to the chapters in the text like I was mentioning, a discussion board, a chat, and we'll kind of finish the year out that way. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Let me know what you need. I'll be looking for a couple of extra things to send your way over the next couple of weeks to help you as far as content review. And just keep doing what you're doing. You all are doing a great job. Don't get too nervous for the test. You know, it is what it is. You guys will be fine. I'll talk to you this week. I'll talk to you Wednesday in regular 2-hour history and Thursday for this class. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy.